Vish, can you tell our investors about our system, BFG, Blueprint for Growth?
BFG is a 4-step process, and we have developed it, tried it, and now I'm happy to say that it's a proven system. Now, the first step of the process and a key process is market research. We use several programs and applications to get the latest and greatest information about city, neighborhood, and area. We're also looking at the future growth metrics like population growth, immigration growth, economic development growth, and what are the future transit projects. The sum total of intelligence that we gather helps us decide whether we should invest in a city or not. The second step in the process is acquisition, and it is a very important step in the process. And our mantra is that we make money in the buy. We do it by following a very aggressive negotiation process. We want to make sure that we buy a property below fair market value so that we can get the equity on day one. It is a sweet deal for investors. Why? Because they get to invest in a property that has a built-in equity on the get-go. In order for us to do that, we run many campaigns for buying an off-market and on-market deals. We're also looking at a property and also doing their comparables. In parallel, we're also looking at how much value of the property can be increased. Our ultimate goal is to increase the value of a property by 80 to 100%. Let's move on to step number 3, where we have our financial experts review the financial and investment portfolio of our investors. It's interesting to share that we find that most of investors are richer than they think. Why? Because we find creative ways and solutions where they can invest money that they have never thought about. Things like RRSPs and equities in their property are things that they have sometimes forgotten about, but we bring those to the fore and help them invest in those areas. The fourth and the final step, the most important step, how we make an underperforming property into a profitable money-making machine. As I said earlier, our ultimate goal is to increase the value of a property by 80 to 100%, and that's our goal. So for us, time is money and speed is profit. So once we get the possession of the property, we try to stabilize it ASAP. And the second step is to start the reno project. For that, we work with the best in the class teams for construction, and the teams that we work with, their turnaround time is 20 months. That is 30% faster than the market. We want to ensure that we offer investment opportunities to our investors that not only provide return on investment, but also return on time.
That was a lot. It goes to show how thorough our system is. We can't wait to help you start your investment journey today.